that they'd conceded 25 runs in less than 3 overs just before this wicket.
I know this test match is only a day and a half old, but we've seen already wickets fall in clumps. So it's important, if you do get yourself in, that you just keep grinding it out and stick to the disciplines. Some players will start going through the gears, expand their game a little once they get themselves in the nature of the pitch, but I'm not sure this is the surface you can do that. And Henry Nicholls had looked very good up till that point. .198 for 5.